this video, we move to groups 9. As I mentioned, that's just 4 more chapters within class diagram. I call them just group them into the others. So today is 338. We talk about how you can connect a link between the class members from two. And I will also show you I suppose it's also allowed you connect from the class level to another class member level. So let's do the testing together quickly. So first, let me create our file. Call this 338.first. So let's create 3. So here is we have 4. So 2. So full. So with this class bar class self. So we have this 4. So let's create something. We can use plus or these minors to ensure the visibility. So fields, and if I put that is field 2, 1. This let me put this field 3, field 4. But remember, if you put something just a private, maybe from the Java or language, the class definition should not be pointed from the outside. But we just use that as our sample. So field 5 demo to you how this diagram is working. So first is the very simple is if you want to indicate a field, is just use this double colon. So when you say full, want to see the field 1, then you can use the standard way to see the bar field 3 with full. So now you see they connect very direct from here. So if you put this, maybe I connect another one, 4. So field 1 to 3, field 1 to 4. So then how about this full to self field 6 new. So you can see this is connected from this and is just generic to the class level, and this auto layout. So maybe I put this here, then you don't see this overlapping. So here is not direct attached to your class. So if I put this, let me see here, I put our full. Maybe I put this bar to self. So you can see here. So there is a connection. So it's not touch the class edge. So that is the class to class relation. But if you do this member to member, is come to this edge. So let's go to make that back. So it will be here. So you can see clearly class level is not have those attached. So if I put this another one is from the bar with field 3 and go to self class. So you can see here. So right is on the same, the end, no touch self, but in the left is reach this bar class, so that you know now this point to a field level or member level. So if you know this difference, then you can through the diagram, you can easily identify which is coming from the member level link, which is coming from the class level link. So that is one first sample. Let me create a second sample. So 0, 3, 38, 2. We will try to see use this direction. So star UML and UML. So let me put this left to right direction first. Then I create two class. So first is the class user. Then I will have this ID integer. Yeah, I can have the space. And then here is the dotted line. You can use your customized separator. So the ID integer as well. So both are the field. Then we have this class email. Then with that we have the ID. And also I have a dotted and the user ID. With our address. Address should not be the integer, so address I put this string. So that will be more make sense. But now we have two the class. Let's make the link is user ID is should be linked to the user's ID should be used linked to the email's user ID. So that is. If you use relational database so you may treat this as one. This ID is the primary key in user table or class. If you treat that as a table, is better. So then this user ID, this ID is the email table's primary key, but this user ID will be the email table's foreign key linking to the another table's primary key. So to show this relationship is better is we have this way. So user and the double colon come to ID. Then where we can use that is compose those users ID within email. So with that is we have this star with this one. Because it's now it's left to right, so it's putting that in the right for the emails. So email double colon user ID. So with that is you create now you can see they move to the email a little bit because they want to have this as a horizontal line. Similarly, if you put that as address, so it will put that even higher. So let's change back to this user ID from the meaning itself. They are connect each other. So with that, I hope is you get our way that you can also use this class diagram to show some the tables, the relationship. Sometimes we call that is ER form. ER diagram is entity relationship diagram. So now you know how you can connect on this field level or member level. So with that, we finish this 338, the arrow from to. So you can also change the direction for this arrow. Then this you can control this connection to the member level. And the next video is we will talk about how you can group the arrowheads. So by default is this one, how we can make like this one. So that is the interesting part is the some tactic for making your the diagram is looks better. So see you then. Bye.